About to take the R for a spin here. A Java.
Alright, V.C.D Racing taking the vlog.
No, you gotta talk in front of the mic. The mic's pointing to the front. You gotta get more to the side of it if you want them to hear you.
That's garbage.
No, that's because it's a shotgun mic, bro. So
how,
like,
well, but like, how are you supposed to look at your video and then talk at the same time?
You're not.
No, you're not. You're professional.
You're not.
Bro.
You're holding your face right next to it.
Amateur.
You know what?
Right.
There's a reason why I'm not a fucking photographer.
Clearly.
Okay, so today, what we got today? A little.
Shoot, we got my R, fully built, built block, built trans, built injectors, built turbo, built body kit, built shifter.
Shifter? What does that mean?
So we are currently here back at Lewis's shop, V.C.D Racing, and we got Java. What's up? You already know, you guys already saw the clips earlier. We got Danilo's 8th gen. Oh, there's a man himself. So we're just finishing that up, and I got a new valve cover thanks to his girl Jasmine, and whew, I got a new theme for the SI. Let me know what you guys think personally. Check out this valve cover. Woo. Fresh. Yeah. I'm gonna give you guys a little sneak peek exclusive right here from Mr. V.C.D Racing here, but check it out. Ooh. Built Engine Club, welcome to the crew. So we got another SI in the shop. Ooh, look at the pattern on here. Looks fresh. Check out the IG. Damn. I guess you got state ref, so we're gonna take off the downpipe. It looks good. All right, so right now we got Lewis actually working on another SI. Boom, this guy's always busy. But then look who else came. Mr. That Silver FC1, I'm about to say That Silver SI. But we're actually gonna go get some food while they're working on this. And we're gonna get the halal guys. If you guys don't already know, stuff's fire, I'll show you guys. And it's gonna be this guy's first time. So we're gonna actually cruise in his whip. He's running the 2860R Garrett, so it's gonna be my first time trying to try his car and see how it goes. Ooh, wait a second, this ain't mine. Shoot, hey. So we're gonna take out the big turbo. You wanna pop the hood? Give him a little tour. You guys already know that Silver SI right here. Got the big boys up in here. Much wind noise. Woo! I like that. My gosh, that sounds so sexy. Oh my gosh. Oh, I can do this all day. Oh my fucking god, man. That's addictive. That's fucking addictive. Should I get one? Should I get one? So a lot has been going on today, but it's exciting. We're gonna get my car back over here too. and then we're gonna inspect everything just to make sure, because if you guys already know, we talked about how we blew the head gasket, and obviously after putting everything back, we want to make sure there are no further leaks. So after driving for a few days now, we're gonna check for any of those leaks. If there's no leaks, then we're good. And then what's gonna end up happening is, I think I've already discussed it, we got the new valve cover. So thanks to this girl Jasmine for the awesome and beautiful valve cover. Gosh, that purple is just freaking pops. That thing's mint. But I'm gonna let this guy get back to what he does. Again, if you guys need any 10 gen work, you already know who to hit up. You already seen all these 10 gens here today, so it's been a busy day. It's been a busy day. All right, so I'm gonna give you guys a little tour of the undercarriage of the ARP Performance exhaust on the Type R here. Woo, it looks fresh just from here. Just follow it. Ooh, we got the arc plates. Got the one arc resonator here. And then it actually has a little drone device here and here that's supposed to help, but if you're Catless, that's not gonna really do much. Woo. And just finished another one. Right here, we got this white CTR that Lewis just did. Fresh. All right, so we finally got, that's not my SI, hold on. That's not mine, that's still, that's Dustin's SI right there. Shoot, but we're putting on the camber arms for him, and then on top of that, doing the turbo blanket. Oh, let me see. Shoot. Can we show that? Hey. I don't know, can we show that? Yeah, why not, right? Why not? Put this bad boy on, looking beautiful. Got the camber arms, everything.
A Torco trans fluid change.
Oh yeah, and we're gonna do a little transmission fluid change. Put them on that nice Torco. Y'all already know. So we got Danilo over here, Bull CTR, pop it right there. He brought us Type R, and you guys already saw me take Javas. Man, you know, honestly, I'm driving like everybody's car today. So we're gonna drive this CTR, see what's up. As you guys know, we worked actually on his 8th gen earlier. So this is Mr. Bull CTR right here. Say what's up to the vlog, G. Well, we're about to take his Type R for a spin. Check out what's up.
Not even enough.
Come on, cars, come on, come on.
You know what? Take it on the freeway.
No.
Take it on the freeway.
Take it on the freeway. Fucking A, Danilo.
Go. You need to see what this thing really about.
Oh my God.
Hold on, do it one more time.
What the fuck? Holy shit. Holy shit. All right, one last time. All right, they're running it. Here in Orange County. It's pretty long right now. We're just kind of in a stop and go right now. I'm just trying to cruise in. So there are a lot of cars, usually in the Origin meets. They're pretty big. Off the Instagram right here. But they host them all around. They do kind of a tour, and they're super chill. So I'm actually really excited to see. It's gonna be my first time going to an Origins meet. So rolling with the 10 gen crew, and then we'll be hopping in. So we'll see how it goes. I'm pretty excited. And yeah.
Where are we at, bro?
Today we're at the Origins meet going on, you know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Right behind us, we have a slow Civic Si.
Oh,
Yeah.
who's partying out, by the way? So, I mean,
No, I'm just kidding.
guy behind me right here. This one sounds like he's boosty. Damn, Phong, you need to clean your lens, bro. Oh, damn, we're gonna talk about the lip, though. Oh, Ryan, your shit's getting a car wash, bro. Subscribe to youtube.com/DaggerProductions. It's lit. Hey, your car's getting a car wash, bro. Your car's getting a car wash over there.
So we're up here at the Origins meet now, and it is packed. Like, it's crazy. The lighting is super bad. And who's calling me right now? What the heck?
Really?
Are you buying the big ass building?
You guys can just see the scenery around me. It's fucking crazy. So check it out. Ooh, is that a Supra? Gosh. Clean NSX over here. We got cars up there on the display too. This is crazy, and it extends all the way that way. All the way that way, like way that way. It's just low-key overwhelming. Like, I can't really check out every single car, but I'm just trying to enjoy the experience. I am gonna try and get some video or at least some clips of you guys for the cars and stuff. So I'm coming over here up to the top, gonna try and get an overview for you guys of like how it looks, how insane it is over here at this meet, but check it out. A bunch of fresh cars are on the line here. We're gonna go ahead and just walk down and see what's up. It's crazy. Is that a Supra? I know, is that a Supra? This is straight looking like a scene from like Fast and the Furious or something. I've never seen so many cars all together at a meet. So well organized. Like, this is crazy. Yeah, all these people are trying to leave now. Ooh, good luck to them. Just look at the line of cars all the way down. So I'm just trying to leave, and I don't know, man. There's a lot of cars. Hopefully I can make it out. We'll find out.